What's up guys? Popping into the frame, and I don't have a vlog for you today, so if you're looking for a vlog, you can leave. It's totally cool if you want to leave. It's an announcement today, and I'm gonna do it quickly. I'm gonna do it as short as I can. Under 3 minutes, announcement time. Here we go. We're going to Bali. Bali, Indonesia. Not right now, but a year from now, September. I am gonna be doing a photography retreat. And not just a photography retreat, like an epic photography retreat. I've rented out this epic villa, swimming pool, really cool rooms, amazing location in Ubud, and we're just gonna use that as a base for this photography retreat. So what is a photography retreat? A photography retreat's a photography workshop that's based in one location and also kind of has an angle at like being really intensive, but also relaxing and maybe even focusing on wellness a little bit. And we're gonna roll that all into one with a really good group of people. Every day there's gonna be photography, every day there's gonna be relaxing, every day there's gonna be networking, there's gonna be clinics, there's gonna be photo editing, video editing. It's just gonna be like this immersive environment where we learn and we shoot photos and hopefully we grow as people as well. And I think Bali's the perfect place to do that just because we have everything at our disposal there. Within an hour, 2 hours drive, we have epic photo locations. We have seascapes, mountains, rice terraces, culture, temples. We have it all there and it's gonna be awesome. So what does the daily routine look like on a photography retreat? Basically, it's gonna look like this. Every morning there's gonna be an optional sunrise photography shoot. If you wanna sleep in, sleep in. It's up to you. We're gonna take a mini bus, we'll have our own driver, take us to a really cool location. I've been to Bali before, I've scouted all these really cool locations, there's a ton of them. We'll go shoot a location for sunrise, we'll come back to the villa, have a really beautiful breakfast, and then we'll jump into some like lessons, some photography courses, some photo workshops, some editing workshops, some video editing workshops, some talks on business, some talks on pitching, just kind of a learning session in the morning. Then we'll have lunch at some point at the villa. We'll have free time to relax in the villa, maybe even do things like yoga if people want. I've only done yoga once, but I'm game to try. Maybe have massages at the villa. Maybe just relax in the pool all day at the villa, or maybe go out and shoot some street photography or around and checking out the villages. Then in the evening, early evening, we'll go out and we'll shoot a sunset photography location. After that, we'll have dinner and we'll go home. And that's basically what every day is gonna look like at the villa. The trip is all inclusive minus alcohol. So everything's gonna be included. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, transport. I guess not flights, you gotta pay for your own flights to get there. But once you land in Bali, everything's gonna be included except for alcohol. And the total price is 2,290 euros for 10 days, 9 nights in the epic villa on this photo retreat. There's also a couples rate, so if you're a couple, you're sharing one bed, one room, the rate in total for both of you is 3,390 euros, I think. And all that information's on the website, so if you are interested in coming to Bali in September 2019, go to the link below in the description of this video and come join us on this photography retreat. I think it's gonna be awesome. I think it's gonna be great for beginners that are just looking to get out there and learn about their camera more. I think it's gonna be great for hobbyists that are just looking to get out and shoot with some cool people and meet other photographers. And I also think it's gonna be awesome for people that are maybe hobbyists but considering becoming pros to kind of learn about the business, networking, and trying to figure out how to make the next step. So that's it. I don't think I stayed under 3 minutes, but I tried. And tomorrow I have a vlog for sure because I have no, you know what? I'll wait. You guys can find out what I have tomorrow. But I have new gear and it's fun. I'll see you guys there. Peace.